Hey guys, just going to look at a little quick morning recap real quick over here. We're going to do this. We're going to see a stock run up and then just have a very strong trend. Part of that strong trend, if you want to see a little trick, when it runs up and pulls back right here, that this is called a stronger trend fib. Have a really good picture. Let me see if I can find it for everybody. I think you will like it because I like it right here. Yeah. So right here, base says weak trend, normal trend, strong trend. I really didn't see this till about 3 weeks ago. This also explains a couple other things real quick. You know how a stock comes back up from 50% or lower and it tries to break? Well, that's why I like it to break and bounce off the strong trend again. So that's just a little quickie. I think that's probably the best gold I've given you in a long time. So right here, then we have some strong trend right here, and you'll see it just, let me do a trend line, and I'm going to put it here and then change it right here. All right. Well, I don't really care about trend lines too much, but yeah, if you see them break, it's kind of usually a sign of reversal. So we'll see what happens on this. Yeah, they usually break once. It peaks one or minuscule time. But the other thing is, this just ran up a lot. So right here, target one, all that kind of good stuff. I set some alerts at this area. I don't think they ever got hit. They got hit later. If I'd have done this, I'd have done some other trade that I like over this peak. And that was a good one. And yeah, rest pretty much garbage. So I think this was a buyout, or I thought it was. Yeah, it's definitely because I actually got some of this trade here at $10 because I just woke up as it was climbing. I was like, all right, this is weird. It looks like it's going to be a perfect short. Should I get in? And I got a little bit of money because I got the VWAP little thing, got like 40 cents, and thought it was the dumbest bid once I started seeing it clean up. Right, so here we got Benzi. This is the one that kind of ran the most today. So we'll go through what I thought I did. All right. Lately, I've been going back to, since the market's a little choppy, I've been doing more SNRs. So I pull those up and just been seeing that it just doing this, and it's doing a little more creep over, a little more, which is good because this is actually show you trading. I did get a target 1, target 2 on that maneuver. I'll get rid of that one. And then basically right here, you'll see that it's just uptrending. So it's higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows until it doesn't have a higher high. And then, so it just shows you consolidation, but it did trail off. So hope, we thought this was going to break out. And I think, yeah, this is the 20 million share. I think maybe 5 or less. It might have gone a little earlier. Anyway, broke down here. Eventually, I know this platform all the time. And it did 2 targets, and then it pulls back one more time. And then this is your uptrend again. So you can just sit here and higher highs and higher lows again. And yes, it tried, again, it ran up a lot to get there, and it might be trying a little later. And I think it finally just fell off, I think, because, there's another indicator I use that shows that eventually if these 2 peaks are different, it does that. But the whole thing is you'll see the trend go up sharply and does an event, again, 2 major failures, tons of wicks. Rob will tell you that all day it's garbage. And sure enough, and it's not reproving itself. I did take that 2 target trade a little bit ago, and I'll probably move some alerts down here in this little confluence area and keep one at VWAP. I like to do that just in case I want to try to catch more. Biggest thing you really want to notice is if you drew the fibs, it did hit a target 2 eventually here on the long play. I'm just going to check out a couple other ones real quick. Sorry if I get a little slow. That one already broken down. Let's see this one. Kind of good. I will tell you why I don't trade it in it, Mike, because I think this is 6 million shares. All these volumes are specs per minute. I like continuous trading, and it might turn into that. Pretty soon, but that's a lot of run up. Jesus. All right. Well, I guess that's the stock of the year right there. Just didn't even trade it because it was just weaker volume. But this looks like the most volume comparatively to the other day. So maybe I'll just set a couple alerts. We'll see what happens. Maybe the volume comes in and really drives it up some more. But otherwise, I'm not going to chase the stock. And if it goes more, I'm happy for everybody. I'm not going to get it because it has a lot of downfall because it has a lot of risen. So I don't see any real major peter off day, and I don't want to be part of that. Z-Car, I think people were calling it earlier today. I think that's killing it. Yep. I just couldn't find it. So I saw that in a lot of that people were talking about, and I pulled it up and just saw this. I see why they saw it. Okay, because yesterday. Fair enough. You should always see why people are talking about it. Huh? It's talking to the peaks of yesterday, so maybe. But yeah, still specs, good for everybody that's doing it. It's just I like confirmed motions, and confirmed motions are more traders for me. But again, I'm bored. Maybe somebody will come in here and rag it up. So let me put a couple alerts real quick. All right. And I think that's all I'm going to really look at. That's a good one. That's decent. This is what the higher trader trades. I saw some videos yesterday. It's just bouncing, doing the trend right here until it broke trend for a little bit. Yeah, that's not that bad. Again, maybe the volume. Yeah, the volume's not. Well, it doesn't look that bad, but can't get them all. That's the biggest thing I learned this year is not trying to get them all. And there's your daily recap. So hopefully that works out for you. Y'all have a good one. And sorry if I was a little slow today. Okay.